Hi there, I'm Daniel and I'm the product manager of Network Tools from Pentest-Tools.com, here to help you navigate to our new handlers page. Let's get started. We've structured our tools that accept requests, XSS Exploiter, HTTP request loader and sniper client-side attacks into a single page. Before this feature, you could find all these tools under the Browse Tools section. Now, they are also placed on the handlers page. First thing first, you need to go to the handlers page. Here you can find a short description of the tools and the number of handlers created on each tool. Let's start with XSS Handler. What can these handlers do? They can exploit a cross-site scripting vulnerability by extracting cookies, keystrokes, HTML content, or a page screenshot. Moving on, the next step is to click on the tool and there you can see all the XSS handlers. You can create an XSS handler by clicking on the Add button. You choose a label name and what option you want to extract, mentioned in the tool description. I have a sample of a vulnerable target where you can see the cookies extracted, the HTML content, the page screenshot, and the keystrokes recorded. Also, if you have multiple requests recorded, you can filter by user URL, user agent, or the date received. Let's move on to the HTTP handler. You can navigate back to the handler section through the breadcrumbs at the top. What is an HTTP handler? It's a listener that can capture incoming HTTP requests and extract multiple types of information like the source IP, URL params, and so on. Identical to the XSS handler, you can add an HTTP handler by clicking on the Add button. I have a sample handler where you can see multiple requests received and filter those requests by source IP, request method, URL parameters, user agent, operating system, and date received. Lastly, let's navigate to the sniper attack handlers. A sniper attack handler is a listener that can generate a malicious document to use in a client-side attack. Once you click on the Add button, you choose a name, what type of document to create, doc, docm, XLS, XLSM, and if you want antivirus evasion, only available for Windows Defender at the moment. I have a sniper handler with 3 client-side scans generated. On the target section, you can view the victims presented as IP address and hostname. You can filter the information displayed by target, handler status, and date. Once you click on a target, you will see all the information gathered by sniper extractors. Everything you saw so far is already available to you inside the platform if you have a license. If you want to try out our product, click on the link in the description below to get started. I hope you found this video useful and the handler section is clearer than it was before watching this video. I invite you to give it a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Until the next video, take care.